Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? So what up? What up? Manners and respect, man. I your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. If you're new right on over here, special welcome. Those of you who were there with me from the beginning of this journey and you're still here, manners and respect. On today's episode of the Jamaican cooking journey, I'll be sharing with you a little jerk chicken recipe, and I'm going to be doing it right in our air fryer. As you have all known that we had gotten an air fryer courtesy of 3 of our cooking family members over here, and once more I can't say it enough, thank you all so much who made this air fryer possible. Now, camera girl, I demonstrated a little video in it, so actually by now, those who have watched, you would have seen the size. It's a 6 quart. So right here, I have, this is a 3.5 pound, half of a 3.5 pound of chicken. So what I want to do, I just want to put a few cores in it, and we have music on the outside, family. I'm trying to talk over it. Just trying to put a few cores because we'll be seasoning it with a little special jerk seasoning rub that I just made. And don't worry, family, you can make your own rub. So, you know, if you don't have or you don't want to buy, you can make your own. So this has in every single thing. So I'm going to be using it to this is what I just made this one. Wow. So you just want to have your thing like this, because I made the cores in it, or the slots, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to be rubbing in this in real nice. And camera girl, you smell it? It smells so heavenly. I just had I was out on Kimmy's jerk. She has, but actually she's nowhere near me today, and I was trying to call her, so I haven't gotten any from her. So I'm just make one right here. So I add a special ingredient to mine, and can I tell you, it has taken it to a whole different level. So this is about like 1 3/4 pounds. So I just go rub it in properly. I'm gonna leave it, continue rubbing it. This is the color I've gotten, and I don't think I need more, for about another 2 to 3 minutes in these places. And I'm gonna cover it and leave it for about 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, we will return to show you how to do this air fryer jerk flavor chicken just in time for your Mother's Day. Must soon come. Okay, family, so I am going to brush this part here with a little oil. You know, people might not want to do it. I'm gonna do the chicken, so I think it makes sense to do it with a little oil, because we don't want it sticking. If you don't want to do yours, you don't do it, but if it sticks, then you can say, you know. So I think that's okay, just like with a brush your grill and all of that. So that's it. I'm gonna be brushing it, and I'm gonna set it now to preheat. Okay.
Okay, so once the chamber is back inside of the air fryer, in this case, because we're doing jerk chicken and we don't have jerk on it, we're going to use roast. So we're going to press roast, and for this one our timer is going to be about 30 minutes. So we have the 30 set right there, and our temperature will be 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're going to keep it there, and then we're going to press start, and that's how it preheats. So now it's preheated, it's going to say add food. So now we're going to add our chicken inside.
Okay, now so the chamber, according to Kema Girl, is preheated, and I did add a little oil to my chicken, so I'm gonna put it on the skin side down first. And you see it's hot, so it's gonna go right back in there because it was in motion, and it's set for 30 minutes on 400 degrees Fahrenheit at the halfway interval, which is gonna be 15 minutes. We're gonna come back to turn it on the other side and lower the temperature to about 375. So at that point we will return. Family, I'm at the halfway, 15 minutes, so I'm gonna take it right out. After 15 minutes on that temperature, this is what it looks like. How easy we'll get to turn it over because we did grease it, and we are gonna put it on the other side for another 15 minutes. I personally would suggest to lower the temperature to at 375. So after the next 15 minutes at 375, we'll come right back to you. So 15 minutes, the next 15 minutes at 375. Remember, this is on Fahrenheit and all of that. So actually now, fam, our jerk chicken has come to an end. The unit here says end. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plug it from the outlet and I'm gonna leave it for about 2 minutes to let it just settle down in there. Let all the little excess juices drip, because remember, it is still in there. It eats up to the side. I thought it would have eaten up more, but no. Camera girl is the one who uses it. So it's there. So we're gonna leave it in there for 2 minutes to let all the little juices just, you know, subside and everything come together. Okay. 2 minutes has come to an end, and this is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like with all the little juices and all of that. Not a lot, not a lot. So we're gonna put it on our cutting board, and we're gonna look in our pan here, and this is what the bottom of our pan looks like. Okay, so you know, as soon as it cools down, you can just do your little wash up. Then try to leave it to make that really stick onto it. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna chop this, and I'm gonna come back and present this to you. So family, all chopped, and I'm moving it onto foil paper, and you can see the juices that are running from it. It's not bloody. That means it's cooked, and you don't want it stay in there until it's dried out. Okay, so I couldn't chop it more, family, because my chopper didn't mash up from when. So man, this is just my a little extra peppery thing that I'm using just to garnish it and all of that. This is what I use. I made my little thing to do it. So this is what you will have. You can put your other little twist to it, family. From my kitchen to yours. From my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your palate, and most of all to your stomach. It is my air fryer jerk flavored chicken, just in time for your Mother's Day. Please do enjoy, family. I did tell you that I'm gonna put my Jamaican twist to it. This is one of the many that I have in the back of my head right here. I've watched videos and I've seen what people do, but they're all not Jamaican. Nothing is wrong, because we're going to do some of them other one too. But my Jamaican twist, I had to put it to it. And this is the one that came to my mind. And it was so cool. So once more, I hope you did enjoy. Remember to make sure that you're subscribed. When you do subscribe, remember to hit the notification bell. Press the option that says all, and they will be notified when I go live, post another video for you. Remember to check in the description for my Patreon link. Videos that are being uploaded on Patreon, you have never seen them on my YouTube channel, and I don't think you will ever. Thanks for the love, thanks for the support, and until I see you again, just be you, do you. Most of all, love you some air fryer jerk flavored chicken.